Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tree bark out of chocolate. We'll cover everything from selecting your chocolate to achieving that perfect, rugged texture. This fun project is surprisingly simple and yields impressive results, perfect for decorating cakes or enjoying as a standalone treat. Get ready to transform ordinary chocolate into an extraordinary edible masterpiece with just a few easy steps. Let's dive in and create some delicious, rustic chocolate bark together. First, let's get that chocolate ready. Melting it gently is key, either over a double boiler or in the microwave at short intervals. For the best results, tempering your chocolate is crucial. It gives it that beautiful shine and satisfying snap. Aim to keep your working temperature between 88 and 91 degrees Fahrenheit. This careful preparation ensures your chocolate bark will look and taste professional, setting the stage for a fantastic final product. Now for the fun part, creating that authentic bark texture. Pour your perfectly melted chocolate onto a parchment-lined baking sheet. Then, grab an offset spatula or even a fork and gently drag it through the chocolate, making wavy, irregular patterns. Don't be afraid to get creative here. The more organic it looks, the better. You can even sprinkle on some crushed nuts or cookies for added realism and crunch. Work swiftly to capture those intricate details before it sets. Once your chocolate bark has its beautiful texture, it's time to let it set. You can simply leave it at room temperature until it's completely firm, or for a quicker set, pop it into the refrigerator for about 15 minutes. Once hardened, gently break the chocolate into rustic, irregular pieces, just like real tree bark. Store your delicious creation in an airtight container at room temperature, and it will stay fresh and delightful for several weeks. Enjoy your edible masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.